So now, I promise you, this is the biggest one yet. And the tail's moving.
Let's go get closer. No, go. I'm right behind you.
No, dude. Grandpa, we're not passing this one. I refuse.
I don't think we should go there.
Oh, wait.
That guy's moving around.
Wait, let's see where he goes.
He doesn't look too happy.
He's stretching his legs. He's stretching his legs.
He's
Like,
lumbering up to get us.
Yeah, he's going. I think that old man is getting tasty.
I don't think the stick would slow it down at all.
hey, alligator molester.
Nick LaSalle, alligator molester.
Oh my gosh, it like stretched out its back legs. Like,
Because if it needs to take off, he's going to.
Yeah, he's ready to move. Here, go here and I'll get your picture of it. Back.
I'm not putting my back towards that thing.
I'll let you. If you see me running, follow. If you see me running, take off.
I'm sweating bullets right now.
Let's get closer.
You're the alligator molester.
You're the alligator vlogger.
I should make a vlog.
I don't think we should go by there.
No way. I think it's our time to turn around.
You gotta turn around.
Oh my gosh, this thing is huge.
Alligator for blocking the trail.
He's
Hey,
not blocking the trail.
Go Gators. Ooh.
Look, there's another one out in the water.
Where? Oh yeah. Alrighty.
Alright, we're going.
Ooh hoo hoo.
Look, there's a
Oh, there's a
baby.
baby.
No, that's definitely a mama.
Oh my gosh, Grandpa.
Grandpa, I don't want you losing another finger.
Alright. Time to exit.
Oh, this is where we.
This
So we
is-
throw a rock at it.
No, that thing is gonna like charge at us.
So you throw
Not throwing anything, you be molested.
Bye, alligator.
Bye.